Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2019 Ford Flex in a limited trim and powered by a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with a ton of power and excellent fuel efficiency with all-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. So first, looking in the back, we have a nice power liftgate that opens up for you, and looking into the back where you have your third row seating for 2 more seats. Do have a total seating of 7 in this vehicle, so you can bring along the whole family. And the seats are power folding in the rear, so you can have a ton of cargo room, of course. Do have a 12-volt power outlet. Even your back passengers get their own cup holders and compartments. And then this does close again with another simple press of a button. And now look into your second row where you have seating for 3 with a nice full leather interior. In the center you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, and then you do have rear climate controls, 110-volt power outlet, another 12-volt, and more cup holders and a cubby for storage. So that's pretty nice too. Before I forget, do also have some more sunroofs in the back that your passengers can open or close at their own desire. And this vehicle does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on this cold morning to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, power folding mirrors, and 2 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors once again. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 17,587 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone radio controls, as well as your controls for your right screen here, where you can look at things such as your entertainment, navigation, and phone controls. And on the left hand side you have your cruise controls with adjustable gap for the vehicle ahead of you, and then the controls for your left screen here, where you can look at things such as your distance to empty, your RPMs with your transmission temperature, digital speedometer, and then you can also go into your trip 1 and 2 information, your fuel economy, driver assist settings, and settings in general for some other features around your vehicle and your screen setup. But then moving on to your center infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, and Bluetooth. So you do have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. And you have your digital climate controls with dual front climate, heated and air conditioned front seats, and even a heated steering wheel, so you're going to be able to stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. You do also have your digital your Bluetooth phone controls and your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensors that will alert you if you're about to hit anything, so hopefully you can avoid that. And you have your dynamic hitch view, so you can hopefully have an easier time hooking up a small trailer or something of the sort. Moving down from that though, you have all of your physical, media, and climate controls here. Very simple, easy to use. Down here you have a cubby with your park assist, or actually that's your active park assist, which can be activated from there. And then you have your main shifter with select shift thanks to the paddle shifters on the wheel, so you can manually shift through your gears. You have 2 cup holders and your center compartment / armrest here, which is pretty spacious and has another 12-volt and 2 USBs, so you can plug something into power or charge. And then last but not least, you do also have a power moonroof, which extends all the way to the back, so you get quite a bit of bright light in this vehicle, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.